All right, we found another recipe for you that we have easily modified, and I gotta say it's pretty dang good. This one is Thai Drunken Noodles with beef from Taste of Home. So yes, it is a pasta dish. So if you're on our program and you're in the reduction phase, you can make this without noodles, increase your protein, increase the peppers and onions, and I still think it would taste pretty dang good. If you're in the maintenance phase, reduce the amount of noodles, increase the protein. But literally, the only things we changed with this were half cup of soy sauce. We swapped that out for coconut aminos. Instead of dark brown sugar, I used coconut sugar. And instead of canola oil or canola oil or grapeseed oil, which are both horrid, we used extra virgin olive oil. And that was pretty much it. And that's all we had to change. Worked out great. It calls for fish sauce. I did have a hard time finding fish sauce that was clean. There is a Red Boat fish sauce that is Whole30 approved. I'll link that as well. But yeah, this actually turned out really good. I'm excited to eat it. So thanks a lot.